The cool thing about it is you can take any commercial probiotic, whether you buy it on Amazon or iHerb.com or any kind of clinical setting, and you can actually take that one capsule of that and actually usually there's a few billion live cultures in there, or maybe 10, 20 billion live cultures, but you can actually turn that into trillions of live cultures.
Wow.
And then you don't even have to buy more probiotics, because you can actually just use a spoonful of that yogurt to make another batch at the end. So it's not only is it much, much stronger than taking a capsule, but it's much more affordable too.
You can avoid, like, if someone has like a dairy sensitivity, is there such a thing as dairy-free yogurt, or do we just go straight to the probiotic?
There is, but just on a little story on that, a good friend of mine he had a dairy intolerance, and I sent him one of these yogurt makers and a copy of the book Super Gut, and the probiotics he needed to get started, and he started making these probiotics, and within a few weeks, even though he was dairy intolerant, the thing people need to know is that a lot of the things that like lactose is one of the main things that people are sensitive to. And the fermentation process actually breaks down lactose, and the probiotics actually feed off of sugars. So the probiotics are actually eating the lactose in the milk. So a lot of people with dairy intolerance actually can tolerate high quality probiotic yogurt, but more so after just 2 or 3 weeks, his dairy intolerance was gone, and now he can handle dairy. But if a person's vegan, or if they want to avoid dairy and they just want to be on the safe side, or they have some other reason for avoiding dairy, you can use goat's milk, you can use soy milk, you can use other milks, but it gets complicated with like coconut milk and nut milks. They get a little bit more complicated. But half and half cream is just so good. You won't even want to have ice cream anymore once you get into that stuff.
Oh my God, we got to tell Baskin Robbins,
That's right.
add it on to the flavors.